Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Cal State University Fullerton account. So let's get started. So to log into your Cal State University Fullerton account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in the search bar you can search for Cal State University Fullerton login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, which is CSUF portal Cal State University. And here you will come up to their login page, and now you can log into their account by entering your username and password. So after entering your username and password, what you can do is just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on need help logging in. And after tapping on that option, it will take you to this page where you have to select this option. So if you are a student or a new applicant, you can just tap on the first one. So the second option is for faculty and staff, and the third one is for alumni. So if you are a student, you can just tap on it. After tapping on that first option, now what you can do is you can create an account if you don't have one. You can recover your username, you can recover your password, and some other options that you can find. So you can customize those. So if you forgot your password, you can do this. Just follow the steps. Just tap on need more help. After tapping on need logging in, what you can do is just simply tap on student and then create a new password for your account. But if you are facing some problems creating a new password, what you can do is just create a new account. So to create a new account, what you can do is just simply tap on this option which says first time student and applicant, create my campus account, and by tapping on that you will be able to create a new account. That's it guys, this is how to log into Cal State University Fullerton account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.